Hello Year 6, thank you for joining me for spelling today. I don't know what happened yesterday when Agent M took over, but hopefully your code-breaking skills will have helped you practice your spellings that little bit more. Right, let's get started. Our learning objective today is the same one we've been looking at all week, which is to spell words beginning with ACC. Your starter task is to be the teacher. Now that you are familiar with your spelling words and you've started to learn them, can you see if this person has got their spellings right, or if they've made any mistakes, can you correct them? You'll need to mark their spellings and correct any that are wrong. Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Okay, so number 1 was wrong. We needed an ACC to start with access. Number 2, they had a Z instead of an S. Well spotted if you spotted that one. Number 3, accost was correct. Number 4, they missed out one of the C's at the start. We needed an ACC. Number 5, accompany has got an A, not an ER in it at the end. Number 6, accommodate, they had missed out the double M in the middle. Number 7, accomplish was correct. 8, accumulate was correct. Number 9, accentuate, needed a T in the middle. And finally, accrue at the end. Number 10 needed an E added onto the end. Well done if you spotted all of the mistakes and managed to correct them. That is superb. So now we're starting to get familiar with our spellings. Let's just have another check and see that we fully understand what all of the words mean. So this task is a synonym crossword. You have got some clues, across clues or down clues that are synonyms of our spelling words this week. So what I would like you to do is look at the clues, work out which synonym matches which spelling word from our list this week, and see if you can put the clues into the crossword going across or going down. This crossword should be attached to the parent mail sent this morning if you wanted to print it out, or you can go to the website at the bottom of the page, crosswordlabs.com/view/ACC-words-2 to have a go at the crossword online. I'll show you that in a second, but I'll just show you on the screen this week's spelling words. If you haven't got those in front of you, that might help you with the crossword. Okay, so that's your 5, 7 and 9 spellings to be learning this week. Let's have a quick look at the website with the crossword on and see how it works. This is what the crossword website looks like. Quite similar, you need to just read the clues. For example, to across is correctness. I know that that's a synonym of accuracy. So if I go to across, which means it goes horizontally, not vertically, and then I can type in my letters and press enter, it should come up in green and be ticked off here if it's correct. Then I could do 2 down, which I can see uses that same letter and comes down here. Okay, pause the video and have a go at your crossword. Welcome back. On the screen you can see the different words in the correct place, so you can mark your crossword and see how well you did. Okay, your next activity is going to be picking out the words that you think are the hardest from your spellings and practice those ones. Okay, you will know by now which ones you can remember and which ones you can't. So I want you to practice your trickiest spellings, and you can choose one of these methods to do that, or a mixture of those. So you could practice typing your words using different fonts and colours. You could practice writing them in a pyramid style. You could use different colours for that as well, to make them stand out. Or you could choose a time challenge. Set a timer for 2 minutes and see how many times you can write your words correctly in that time. So pick your trickiest spellings, pick a method and go and have a practice. Pause the video while you have a go. Welcome back. Okay, now we've had a practice, we really want to have a look at some ways to remember our tricky spellings, because those are going to be the ones we want to get stuck in our heads, not just for the spelling test this week, but forever. So, Chili 1, for at least 3 of your trickiest spellings off your list, can you draw a picture to help you remember how to spell them? For example, for the word accommodate, which has got 2 C's and 2 M's in it, that's the tricky part I always forget. Can you draw a picture like this to help you remember how to spell it? So the first example is a picture of 2 cars and 2 motorcycles, okay, in a garage. So I could think in my head, a garage can accommodate 2 cars and 2 motorcycles, and that will help me remember that the word accommodate has 2 C's and 2 M's. A different example would be the Noah's Ark can accommodate 2 crocodiles and 2 monkeys. A different way of remembering the 2 C's and 2 M's. So you can have a go at that, choose your tricky spellings and try and think of a way to help yourself remember them using pictures. Chili 2. Again, practicing your tricky spellings, and for you I'd like to choose at least 4 of your trickiest spellings. Can you create a mnemonic to help you remember how to spell them? We've looked at these in school a lot. Remember, a mnemonic is a memory device using words and sometimes pictures as well, like this example, to help us remember how to spell a word. So for the word accommodate, 2 cots and 2 mattresses are needed to accommodate twins. Again, helping us remember the 2 C's, 2 cots, and 2 M's, 2 mattresses. Linking your mnemonic to the word if possible. So in this case, linking it to the word accommodate. And Chili 3. Your challenge is to teach someone else how to spell at least 5 of your tricky spellings using a range of pictures and mnemonics to help them to remember. So for each of the 5 words you choose, you can create a mixture of pictures and words, but always thinking, well, what's going to link to that word? What's going to help somebody remember how to spell the difficult part of that spelling?
You can choose who to teach your spelling rule to, an adult, a sibling, or even your cat.
Today's Spelling Shed leaderboard shows you the top 3 per class. I've given you all a dojo point. Well done to Erin, Lexi and Samson in 6G, Holly, Olivia and Esther in 6R, Charlie, Lewis and Esme in 6P, and Amelia, Harvey and Kyra in 6M. Well done. Thank you for joining me for today's spelling lesson. If you need any help or support or want to send in the home learning that you have done, take a photo and send it to us at year6@frenchprimary.worcester.sch.uk. Bye for now.